Hello, hello to all our listeners. This is Filed Under, where we talk about all things movies and all things shows. P.S. Spoilers ahead.
Yeah, so settle in mga kauban and get your notes up and be ready for Filed Under Coming of Age series or movies.
Yes, our theme for today is coming of age. But first, how are you, DJ Jen?
I'm doing well, DJ Reg. It's been a while, no?
Yes, it's really been a while since we've been together on this couch.
Last time my hair was black, now it's red.
Yeah, sa una kay remember ko ang roots patuloy mo ang red. Karon
It's a sign na nag-grown ako as a person.
ni coming of
Coming
age
of
na
age.
ka.
Na-realize na ko na I really love my red hair, so why not let it grow out?
Woo!
Para namang si Ariel siya na red.
Natural color pala ang red hair. But anyways,
Ikaw, how have you been?
okay lang din. There has been a lot happening now with
Can you specify with a lot? Like, give us a little context with a lot.
like academically also. There was a lot of exams. Bago rin naman ang midterms.
Yeah, midterm season was hell for everyone.
Real. There was a lot of exams and outputs. And then also, Holy Week, right? Nauli sa, I'm not from Cebu, so nauli ko sa amo. Yeah, there was a lot.
That's a lot.
Yes. So let's move on to our
On to our
first recommendation.
Is it
Really?
a movie?
No, it's a
Oh, it's
series.
not a movie, so it's a series.
Yes.
So,
The first my recommendation is Anne with an E.
Anne with an E.
So naa siya E, dili siya Anne A-N-N. A-N-N-E siya.
Anne Curtis.
Dili siya Judy Ann Santos. Si Anne with an E siya, yeah. But Anne with an E is basically a teenager. She was a teenager or tween ba siya? Something like that. And then koan siya, she was an orphan. And then nangita siya og family, and then gi-adopt siya by a sibling, like sister and brother sila duha. So they weren't really also, wala sila kids. They were both single and living together on their farm. Ang brother and ang sister, si Koan. Basta Cuthbert sila, ila apelido. Yeah. But like old na sila na Koan people and wala sila kids. So ang first, initially, gusto nila mag-adopt pero of a boy. Kay, di ba, nag-farm, naman sila farm. So,
labor.
yes, labor basically kay old na lagi sila. Unya, Masigma. Yes. So yeah, they were looking for someone to pass on the family business, something like that.
On the torch. Guys.
Yes. But pag adto na ni William ata ang name niya sa katong brother, niadto siya sa place kung asa mangita. Padung ta siya sa orphanage. But nakita niya si Anne sa train station ata sila nagkita. Basta nagkita sila somewhere. Wala diri sa orphanage kani nitaka si Anne sa orphanage. Yes, because
I wonder why.
iya daw jud gusto makita niya self. Like dili daw siya, di ba kay murag for
box young self.
yes, and like for a kid in the orphanage kay murag na siya sa older side. Right?
Yes.
And like most na mga people nga mo adopt traditionally, gusto sa yes, kids or like infant if possible, ano jud ila gusto. So, mo to murag yan na feel nga kanang dili niya jud siya ma-adopt. So ni ikyas siya, she did a lot of mga side jobs, mga hustle, like nag-clean siya og shoes sa train station. Yes, kay para makakaon siya. And in a time where ang setting ani kay like atong mga 90s or 80s pa ata. So, like in a time where kanang women were limited ra jud ang ilang options, and more so for an orphan like her nga na stereotype, and like she was a kid. I think it's a very nice show which depicted how much anyone can do if you really just put your mind to it. And like the show also revolves about like coming of age jud siya. So makita nimo nga how she was finding herself, like nag-explore siya sa iyang individuality, kay like gi-adopt na siya sa katong koan sa katong siblings, and then she was still not accepted by society. Yes, kay especially during those times pod kay kanang taas gani ang class like division, and like for ato na time kay mga farmers kay like, na siya sa mga lower class.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, sa katulang mga time. So, koan pa jud siya.
Situated in America or
Yeah, sa USA, yeah. Actually, England ata sila. Basta.
Basta sa
Somewhere
West.
there, yes. basta whites.
The
Whites sila. Yes. So, mana like taas ang grabe ang class division. So, mana wala gyud po siya gi-accept sa society cause dili siya biologically part of the family. So, orphan gihapon ang pagtan-aw sa people niya and like naa-jud bad connotation sa unang panahon ang mga like orphans. Yes, like wala siya napadako og tarong like ana ang ilahang moral connotation for orphans. So, yeah,
It's
the show nigi-show sa show gi-show sa show the show shows the show shows nga kuan like the struggles lang pod as like not even besides sa katong mga additional struggles niya like nakatong orphan siya and like kids siya, it also shows how like women at that time were kanang looked down.
looked down and limited ng good.
Yes, like
Actually, wala pa yung rights.
yes, wala pa jud women rights ato like dili makawear og pants ang women, dili maka-drive and like at some point in the movie it also showed how giingnan siya sa people nga mo-stop na siya og school. Yes, like gipakita sa show how like even if ganahan ka mo eskwela kay
You cannot pursue it.
yes because
Only because,
you're a woman.
fuck.
Yes, na siya sa show nga
the-
kuan giingnan sila nga kanang giingnan siya na siya best friend pod nga moto siya ang may kaya like she was up there sa class like new dresses ana siya but she was kato siya ganan siya mag doctor or something basta like gusto ta siya mag academe and even her nga naa sa kana nga social status was stopped by her family like her own family ang niingon yes kay mag-marry off like that's how gidepict jud ang mga women at that time nga kanang once you graduated like high school kay like that's it that all you need to do is learn how to read and write and like you're done yeah like you don't have to like really delve into that like ing ana ang ilaha and like it also showed nga katong like gi-period si Anne naa sa show yes gi-period
So
si
tell me more about that.
gi-period si Anne and then ang naangad to kay ang iyahang katong father like bali ang brother so wa pa siya kay ba kung sige buhat so nagpanic siya gidan niya sa hospital yes kay wala lagi siya kay ba kung like what's happening with Anne na worried jud siya pag maayo so mo to like nakita na pagkato nang nagsapot-sapot na si Anne like ana like mood swings ana ngadto niya murag ni click siyang brain nga oh nagkuan niya mato ya gida sa hospital ya mato giingon nga oh it's just the time of the month for girls ana and like the show gipakita pud sa show nga katong like giunsa ang pag-transition gani sa attitude ni Anne from like katong she was a very bright-eyed little girl nga like positive kayo ang outlook sa world but naay point sa show nga like niabot siyang slum kaya like murag iyang na-realize ang kanang murag struggles of the world nga kanang like daghan kaayo og mag-prevent
Na pa rin siya.
yes niabot siya sa point nga like na-dim jud iyang light kaya like nagka-idol siya ato nga kanang murag iya teacher nga mag-ride og motorcycle nga babay so mo to yung na role model but then kay gibash to nga teacher of the society kaya like manly ralagi daw kaayo ana so mo to like murag mato niya na realize nga nya na fired to siya na teacher
Solely because of that.
yeah kay murag dili good example to the kids yeah so murag mo to because of that murag na show sa na realize ni Anne nga ala daghan kaayo og mo stop jud nako nga buhaton na ako mga gusto yeah but then she slowly found herself loving life again like ipakita dito ang murag redemption nga kanang na-realize niya nga like there are people that's gonna stop her but there's also a lot of people that's gonna be by her side and that's gonna help her succeed yeah and like naay murag point sa movie ay sa show manggod nga murag na boy crazy siya so like as in coming of age jud siya like
The
Sako-
things that you experience.
yes as a
during,
girl as a teenager yes like the boy crazy siya tas like she did things that were not really herself na for the boy like iyang gi-change iyang self for the boy tas murag na realize pod niya nga kanang dapat diling ana kay at the end of the day I only have to please myself ana yes
Tama. Yun.
diba like honestly even now like we have to keep in mind na diba like there are a lot of opinions that's gonna be thrown at us pero at the end of the day what only matters sa jud is ourselves.
True.
Like kung unsa atong pagtan-aw sa atong self, more jud na yung matter because we can't really please anyone and we're gonna be drained manggod if ato ra i-try to please
We're gonna
everyone.
put ourselves in the pedestal of satisfying anyone's or like even your bisag kinsa pa man jud na to satisfy their wants, no? Kaya at the end of the day, yun, it's only you.
Real, honestly. Yeah.
That's one thing I like about ng mga coming of age movies kay mas yung mga realizations na itong ma-internalize and some things na mga itong ma-relate to ourselves and makita po nato ni improvements and these ka ng mga problems without
Yeah.
with society.
Real.
And of course, makita po nimo yung mga issues with some of your friends and ma-understand mo better why they're like this or why they're like that.
Yeah, like it really opens up our minds and our eyes to some issues na dili nato ma-notice like on an ordinary
On
day.
another day.
Yeah. So,
Like before we talk about our second recommendation, mga kauban, Filed Under will be back after this short break.
bye.
Yes.
So, we are done
We are-
talking about the first
First
movie.
series.
Series, yeah.
Rather than series.
So, ikaw, DJ Jan, what's your recommendation?
the moment I know na coming of age movie ang category for today, so there's a lot of movies.
Not-
Specifically movies yun that came to my mind. Like,
Yes, mga niche kayo ng
Mga niche
movies
kayo ng
ang iyang
movies,
gipang-ingon, mga
very
indie.
nice kayo. Like,
Yeah.
if we're talking about indie movies, no, I have two good na primarily I really want to talk about. Number one is some nights I feel like walking. Coming of age movie po siya, pero like with a shade of like rainbow, LGBTQ community.
Eh.
And then how they kung sa yun sa nila pag
Come out.
no, not really come out, but overcome a situation where namatay ilang best friend because of
AIDS.
no, not really basta situated siya sa city sa Koan, sa Manila.
Ah, so Filipino siya nga.
Filipino siya na movie.
Oh!
Niya, namatay siya kay tungod kay gidrug siya while doing
GSA siya.
not really as a kay consensual man na lang gibuhat. So namatay siya ato and then the problem there was
So, overdose siya.
moto.
Mm.
Ang last words sa iyang best friend kay bring me home. Bring me home. Bari mo. Like, iuli ko sa mamalay.
Nga
And then-
naman. Asa day siya?
Sige na lang ito istorya ka.
Say, ay, sige. I'll watch that na lang. Okay.
That you should watch, no? Number 2 sa kay DIDI, dili si PDD, guys. Not with that person. No. So, bro, kato sad siya. It's a coming of age movie na siya.
Asa mapod setting anang
Ang setting niya kay sa United States. Pero the main
Mm.
character there is an Asian
Ah.
boy. So, let's say Asian na lang. Like, I think Chinese na sila. So,
Mm.
nasa sila sa US. And then, murag, ito, nag-revolve sad siya na kung ano, the idea of you being mediocre lang, being mid.
Oh, that's nice.
Pinaka-line na nag-stuck sa ako ato kay, I'm sorry if I cannot be a bragging right to your friends. Mayang kinga sa iyang mother.
As an Asian kid.
As an Asian kid, no?
Bitaw. Yeah, like, murag, di ba, ang mga parents, kaya murag, mo ilang pride and joy kung, like, unsa ang achievements sa ilang kids.
My kid is a doctor.
Yeah, like, kanang,
relative.
Kuan siya, sumakaw nga de siya, ni-api siya competition sa kuan, ana jud. Down.
Pero, I'd like to talk about this series specifically because it's very relevant, no? Especially with the rise of social media and the
Mm-mm.
standards na gipot sa social media sa ato ang kagalingon. And also how social media cultivates these very unhealthy standards that affects kids, teenagers, and specifically makita ko sa most women.
Yes.
And I would like to talk about insatiable. So by definition, guys, insatiable is defined as someone who cannot be satisfied.
Wow, as a com student,
As a comm
with the
student,
definition,
we have to define
he gave.
terms first, no, para ma-set na to ang ground ko.
Eh.
Talk about. Pero again, no, this series revolves around Patty Blandal, who grew up as a fat kid.
Mm-mm.
And someone, like, I can relate to that now. And then, kanang gisumbag siya, gisaka koan, gisumbag siya isa ka tambay.
Like bully.
Tambay.
Ay, tambay ra to.
Tambay to siya nasa
So, like, random person.
lang kita,
So, hate crime mo siya.
Sumbag gid siya, and then to man sa intense sa pagsumbag bungi iyang naong. Like, di siya kakaon sa moto. Tora na like dili siya kakaon, naniwang siya. So,
Ay! Mong tong reason nga na nagdiwan siya. Oh, okay.
ano na
And
mo
then,
ang mga social issues, specifically body dysmorphia, eating disorders,
ED, trigger warning. Okay.
disorders, and bulimia.
Mm.
Yes. The reason why dahan kay kog films I wanna talk about pero kanya kong gipili kay it's trying to show us na this kind of societal standards we were in very ironic po ang series actually kay Patti Bendel became pageant queen. And you know pageants, no?
Like na ay very high standards. Yes, like
you have
skinny.
to be this skinny, you have
Yes.
to be white, you have to be
Very unrealistic
tall.
unta nga standards that not everyone should adhere to.
Because
Yeah.
when you look behind the curtain, kung sa nila pagkuan, they're doing so much intense stuff. Like, dili sila mukhaon.
Yeah.
And they're starving themselves, they're purging themselves. By definition of purging, it's either, for example, I overate today. So
di na ako mukhaon tomorrow.
Hindi ko mukhaon tomorrow for the entire day. Pero that act, makatrigger man na sa imong self. So, the following day, mag-ita sa kabalik. Or situation
So,
B.
relapse, gahapon ka.
Situation B, tawagan na. Nag-overeat ko karon, so, hala, my God, there's so many things na nagklase ko, my God, I ate a lot, the calories, kailan ko calories na kung nakaon. So, ang buhatan ni mo, kay mag-jogging ka, mag-workout,
Yeah.
kay you're tricking yourself na I'm burning the calories that I ate. And situation C, mostly nahitabo gid ni siya. I don't know, pero like it's a disorder na gini siya, guys. Kay if mag-overeat ka and then once na makaibaw na ka you're overeating, you're gonna force yourself to vomit. And there's actually a tawag na beauty queen na who does that. I don't know her name, but like there's someone and from the Philippines ata siya.
Oh, really?
I feel bad. No,
like it's actually a lot without like kanang it's also like ironic lang siya nga you're doing this for beauty standards but like behind that beauty like a very very ugly situation ang nahitabo. It's a very like daunting scene nga kanang imong ipasuffer imong self just to fit into the image that society wants you to be.
Going back to the discuss ganiha, diba?
Yeah.
Trying to
Grabe, to please everyone. Yeah. Like, grabe, sad jud bitaw kayo. Especially for women, kay daghan kayo gi-expect ang people from women nga. Kaya you have to be this, you have to be that. And like, mo tong, I think ang Barbie po, diba? Like,
the
diba?
speech na gihatag ni
Yes, katong Latina nga, kaanya. Katong iyang, like, you have to be skinny, you have to be fat, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Like, wow. Like,
dili ka pwede mag-smart enough.
Yeah, kay mo yun nga, arrogant ka.
But you can't be too dumb.
Yeah, ka like, dumb ra ka. Oh.
You just have to find yourself in the middle ground.
Yeah, like, di ka mo excel.
Di ka pwede mo,
Yeah.
kana.
Like, dapat mo, ganahan ra ang society nga, like, mo lost in lang ka nga, like, background ra ka sa ilahang life,
Yes.
basically. And then, back to the insatiable. Oh my gosh.
It's a series that's very close to my heart.
Like, you relate.
Ma-relate yun ako siya. And
Mm-mm.
some of the things there I experienced firsthand.
So representation.
As a representation. Kay dili gyud siya lalim, no? And then,
Real.
also comes with a realization sad na, speaking of coming of age, realizations na, at the end of the day, wala may mag-matter. Like, it's only you talaga. Pero, there's
Real.
still notions na, fuck, tinuod yun ay siya. It's real. Despite how many times you're gonna ignore the idea, no, na
Yeah.
once you get skinny good, everybody will try, you will be visible na. Because when you're fat, dili good ka mo. You're invisible basically. And that's
Like, pretty privilege.
That's something that, yeah, unfortunately, na-experience yun ako na.
Karon nga, kaana ka.
I used to be sitting in the background lang, like, I can't be in a...
Hindi ka manotice,
Hindi ako
ana.
notice this.
Mm,
Ganun. Tapos ngayon,
you glow up na ka. Eh.
blow up daw. Pero like, it's sad magod kay people are going for blow ups, like physically, pero like internally, they're dying down. Kana.
Yeah.
That's why when you are trying to improve yourself, see it in a way na you are trying to kana improve for sustainability and for kanang lifestyle change na jud siya.
Like, dili lang siya cosmetic,
Oh,
basically, nga
not
kanang just for the show. Like, dapat
Mm.
you're doing it for the right reasons, unta nga kanang to really please yourself and your health, unta siya ba, di
Like,
ba?
grounded good ka na, okay, I want to improve this because I see myself na, okay,
I
this
can
is
do
not
better.
healthy anymore.
Oh, yeah.
So, okay, I have to do this for myself, for my future, para dili ko
Yeah.
mag-suffer in cases. Oh, it's sad yun kay most people do it for cosmetics. and
Yeah,
for
di
pleasing
ba? For
everyone.
to fit into society, jud mostly.
Yes.
Like, there's nothing, we're not saying magod nga there's something wrong if like mag-diet ka
Yeah.
or like kanang mag-change ka sa imong appearance, but like it's the at like most important magod is the purpose.
Yeah.
Like it's really what matters manggod. It's the thought, di ba? It's the thought that counts. Like ana gani, like di ba kay mostly manggod if people try to lose weight, they're counting the calories, they're counting the unsay gibutang sa weighing
To
scale.
the point na you kana parang you associate your value based
Yeah, sa-
scale.
Yes.
Ana yun.
Di ba? Like kanang unya ang mahitabo mo gud ana, I think the tendency there is that wala kay makita nga immediate result or wala kay makita nga kanang result nga imong ganahan as fast as you want, and then you end up hating yourself
You're
more.
gonna crush out.
Yeah, di ba? Kay like wala nimo nakita imuhang gusto nga results because again, imong gusto kay like cosmetic ra siya, but like imong dapat i-think nga kanang if dili naman siya healthy.
Hindi siya healthy.
Yeah, so mo nang
Rewire gid ang imong self.
yeah, like it's the mindset ra jud nga mo push nimo to actually do sa imong gusto i-do. Diba?
Most nice for me, like when we're trying to talk about movies, about kani for ang theme good for coming of age is change. And change is
Yes.
something that you cannot really say na it's gonna happen overnight. It's
Mm-mm.
gonna happen. It's gonna
Real.
take a lot of time.
Yes, it's a process.
It's a process.
Yeah.
Very amazing kay iabot ta sa point na like iabot ta sa ano na cover like very
Very deep na siya.
Very deep kayo siya.
Yeah, it's a sore topic for some people and
Yeah.
like personal experiences na dyan siya, guys.
Yeah, like grabe. Yeah. And kuan it's really hard to swallow magod kung kani mga basically these things are very hard to swallow, especially if you're coming from a place na wait lang po.
Okay.
Please.
Sige.
Oh, yeah. Going back, no? Kana the irony of change, the irony of beauty, kay it's ugly sometimes.
Behind
Behind it.
the beauty, there's ugly.
There's ugliness.
Real, honestly. Like, you don't, I think some people don't really know the lengths that people go to achieve beauty.
that.
Yes.
Yes.
Like, especially men, I feel like makitaan sa like some boys kay makita nila nga like no hair ang body sa girls ana and like nice ang hair, but like you don't really know nga like every day every month or every week ang sarap mo magpa-wax and then magpa-salon for hours, spending a lot of money just to like look presentable or just to look good for society. Yes.
That's why going back to what I initially kuanjanihan with the influence of social media gyud kana is
Yes. Mga beauty standards.
matuok gyud ang mga everybody kay kanang kuan how I lost weight in 3 months, how I lost weight in a month. So it goes like you're trying to push yourself to achieve that.
Yeah,
Because-
kaya like makita man nimo ang sa
Oo.
other people kaya like kaya lagi niya so kaya pa dapat
Oh, yeah, if dili mahita ba sa imuha kay ay ano man.
yeah, like mo end up na pud kay mo gain ano akag a lot
Oo.
more kay like
Kay mas stress na ka.
Yeah.
So, that's it for my recommendation. Basically, insatiable. Pero you can also explore the movies that I mentioned, Yaniha.
Yeah, like I think I'm gonna watch those two.
Yeah. Some
really
nights I feel
interesting
like
topic.
walking, it's available sa mga ay kuha siya. Actually, di siya available anywhere except na-watch na ko siya. Exclusive na mo siya ng movie. Yes. Pero ang DD, you can watch it on Netflix.
Netflix.
Yes.
Okay.
So, yes.
Dapat yung recap ng 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Kaya na?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't leave just yet, mga kauban. Chill lang sa ta. We'll be back after this song. We're back.
Yes, we're back, guys.
Okay.
What's your song, di ay? Comment down.
Comment down kung sa tong song na yun naman tiyan.
Yes.
But now, let's recap na no, like synthesize
Everything
that you have said.
you have said.
Dagan na kayo may talk about in a
No.
very short amount of time, diba? So first, na to i-recap is the Amid and Eve.
Amid and Eve,
Yes,
which
it's
talks
a-
about
More of the women pala mo. For more of the like the teen na experiences
Experience.
as a woman
growing up.
growing up in a
And the-
society nga male dominated,
Male-dominated.
patriarchy basically,
And-
heavy patriarchy.
And a time where orphan, the notion of being orphan kay
looked
look
down.
good kayo siya.
Yes.
Yes.
And then like basically the show siya pod ang class struggles, like different ang mga hierarchy of classes, gipakita ra pod ang like kanang different challenges of the different classes because like di ba most of us like mo think nga if naana ka sa taas like daghan kag money and stuff like that, like yes it does help but they also have their own struggles and it doesn't really solve or band-aid everything.
Yeah, but if the higher class already has struggles, what more the
Sa lower class,
diba?
yes.
Yes. A movie, a series to reflect on if
If like gusto ka maka-realize lang jud sa like for me magod while watching Anne with an E kay it made me be grateful about the opportunities that I have
you
now.
have now.
Yes, cause makita na ko nga like kaning for example education like it's something that a lot of people take for granted, especially studying here in
In
UP,
UP.
where it's free. Like
free.
wala yung gibayran for technically wala lang tayo bayranan if like school or taking school.
Yes.
So yeah, sometimes like dili ako siya ma-think na like oh I'm actually fortunate enough to be able to just go here gihapon. Yeah. And yeah, yeah
Yes,
siya.
yes,
So
yes.
like insatiable.
Yeah, insatiable said no. Kuan, kanang it goes to the point na it answers the question di ay na how far would you go
For beauty.
For beauty.
Yes.
Yeah, it from that you daghan kayong themes na nag-arise. Number one, kanang very prevalent mo ko siya karon kay the toxic culture in
Being skinny.
being skinny sa social media and also
Yeah.
the struggle side of pageantry. What's behind it? What's going
Especially
on?
in the Philippines
Philippines
where
setting.
pageantry is very glorified nga kanang oh Miss Universe dapat ikaw ing-ani ka.
Ingani,
Yes.
Pero like, to be fair, no, it's so good to see that the standards of Miss Universe, like, specifically the organization lang, no, kay, wala gyud sila gipangita na, ganyan yung stereotype na gipangita.
Yeah.
They're open to everyone, and
Yeah.
if you look at the winners na nahitabo, we have multiple representations. Natay si Cebuana,
Yeah,
lahat,
mga
very
indigenous,
distinct
yes.
ang lahang beauty.
Like, dili siya murag same person, different fonts.
Oh, kana.
Yeah.
For example, Thailand.
Ay!
No pun intended. Kuan. Yeah. And then also coming of age movies kay brings so many themes na
For us to reflect on.
to reflect on and to
Yeah.
explore.
Yeah, actually. And like also going back lang to like different na mga sa Miss Universe kay different kaayo tan-awon ang different ang each candidate or each winner. I think that's also important to note kay karon kay murag gani naay specific person nga murag siya jud ang standard like ana gani like especially sa social media sa TikTok for example kay like murag ang na-notice na ko ang mga influencers kay same pa sa tanang tanan. Like everyone has the same hair, everyone
everyone.
right kay especially like where in places where kanang more cheap na lang ang plastic surgery. Yes, like people got the same nose, the same lips, everything is done na.
But for me, no, nothing against it.
Ako
guys.
sad.
If you're,
Ako
if you
sad.
want to do it for yourself, do it for yourself. Pero
Yeah.
hopefully you're not
Pero like,
doing
dili
it
ka ma-pressure ba? Like,
To-
if that's what makes you be more confident, then go for it.
Go for
Pero
it.
don't do it just because gainan ka sa people.
Yeah.
Like, don't be pressured sa society nga, sige ka ganyan nga, flat, ilong, you know, yeah, mana mo, pailong na nga ka. If ikaw, bring siya confidence for you, then go for it. Pero ayaw ka pressure jud nga, just because gainan sa lain tao.
Also, very important to mention, no, kay very recent lang nitabo, someone actually represented niya pilong pageant with us with a very dili siya stereotypical na body type.
Saan?
So, it's actually a male pageant.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you should look it up, guys. Na very very nice to see representations of body types. No? Kaya,
Yes.
again, pageantry isn't only based on how you look, but also how you represent or how you bear the torch of that organization. Yeah.
Yes, and I think even if in how you look, kaya like, there's not really
That's really kuan.
one beauty man lang jud. It's
Yeah.
really by the beholder.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we hope you got interested into watching Anne with an E and
Insatiable.
and let's continue the discussion by interacting with us online, mga kauban.
Yeah, so don't forget to follow us on our socials. That's DYUP_Sugbo. _UPC on Instagram, X, and TikTok.
We're also on Spotify and YouTube. That's DYUP Sugbo.
Yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. So catch DJ Reg and
DJ Jen.
So this Wednesday, 2:30 in the afternoon, and Friday, 1:30 in the afternoon, only here at DYUP Sugbo.
This has been DJ Reg.
And this has been DJ Jen for Filed Under Coming of Age series.
Bye.
Bye guys. Oh, happy birthday, Miss Kathy.